Hello everyone. Now install SIMATE engine preheater S-8003A. Installation tools used include screwdrivers, knives, 2 hose clips and some antifreeze. Start now. This is the connection from the engine to the heater pipes. Put the pipe cut out. Into the pipe clamps, preheater inlet pipe connected to the piece near the heater. Tighten the screws. Open the radiator cap. Add antifreeze. Let the coolant flow to the heater inside. Because the heater with a water pump, when the antifreeze into the pump, pumps will be able to work properly. Pump will discharge the air inside the heater and water pipes. Into the pipe clamp. The outlet is connected near the engine. Tighten the screws. Plugged in, touch the heater casing. Heater can clearly feel the vibration. Shell temperature will have increased. Then add antifreeze until full water tank. Tighten the radiator cap. Setup is complete.